Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that's been on everyone's mind. Does Deel have an app on iPhone? I know that a lot of you are looking for a way to manage your remote team on the go, and an app would be a great way to do that. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what Deel is. Deel is a global HR and payroll platform that helps companies hire and manage remote employees in over 150 countries. They offer a variety of services, including payroll. Deel takes care of all of your payroll needs, including taxes and benefits. HR. Deel can help you with everything from onboarding to offboarding employees. Time tracking. Deel's time tracking software makes it easy to keep track of your employees' hours. Compliance. Deel helps you stay compliant with all of the relevant labor laws in the countries where you have employees. Now, let's get to the question at hand. Does Deel have an app on iPhone? Unfortunately, Deel does not currently have an app for iPhone. However, they do have a mobile-friendly website that you can use to manage your team on the go. While this is not ideal, it's still a good option if you're looking for a way to manage your remote team on the go. Deel's mobile-friendly website is easy to use and provides access to all of the same features as the desktop version. In addition to the mobile-friendly website, Deel also offers a number of other ways to stay connected with your team. For example, you can use Deel's chat feature to communicate with your employees in real time. You can also use Deel's email integration to send and receive emails from your employees. So, while Deel does not have an app for iPhone, they still offer a number of ways to manage your remote team on the go. If you're looking for a comprehensive HR and payroll platform, Deel is a great option. In conclusion, Deel does not currently have an app for iPhone. However, they do offer a mobile-friendly website that you can use to manage your team on the go. Deel also offers a number of other ways to stay connected with your team, such as chat and email integration. If you're looking for a comprehensive HR and payroll platform, Deel is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, please visit their website. You can also sign up for a free trial to see how Deel can help you manage your remote team. Thanks for watching.